One of the biggest concerns we have is often after an installation, people would say, my water doesn't seem to be much different. And unfortunately, this has happened just a few times. The problem on an installation is it's all part of this bypass system that's on the water system. And this is a safety feature because let's say there was a problem with the system, we need to take it fully offline. You could actually put these valves in the perpendicular position. It puts it in a bypass. You could actually unclip it right here, pull the system away, and through this bypass operation, your water is back in your home, although it's city water at that point. But after an installation, often the installer doesn't bring it out of bypass. These valves right here are in the perpendicular position, which means you're bypassing the water filter. The correct position is as you see it right here in this video. These valves here are parallel to the water coming in and the water going out. If this is what your system looks like after installation, you are fully online, and that's so important. It's just a simple little thing that has to be verified.